In this video, I am going to show you how you can create the ad in the Google Ads. Hello guys, myself Nadeem. I am a Dubai-based digital marketer helping businesses all over the world to grow online. Guys, we are creating the Google Ads series and we are already listed on our YouTube channel. You can go and you can watch over there. Why? Because that would be very helpful and beneficial for you to grow your business in the entire world. So that is how we are even creating the ad video here, how you can create the successful ad so that you can target to the people, so that the people can comes to your landing page or to your website for checking that what exactly the product and services you are delivering to the final customer. So guys, we are already on the computer dashboard here in the Google Ads. So now here I'm going to show you what exactly the Google ad have to be created over here now. So this is the final URL. What is the final URL? Suppose example, there will be the website link or the landing page link which you have to kept over here so that the people can route to that particular website or the landing page for see that what exactly you're gonna sell them. Okay, so that is how you have the example here called shobhambr.com. You can take that particular URL and you can paste over here, so it will show here guys the how the ad looks like, the shobhambr.com. so apart from that, you can even go to Google and you can search that best real estate company in Dubai, so it will show the tons of the results to you. Here it will be showing that the zoomproperty.com, here it will be showing the the I am value something, this kind of, see the zoomproperty.com, and this is this kind of the Google search result, this all are. So this is how it looks like on the Google page. Okay, so apart from that, you can come to the display path. What is the display path guys? Suppose example, the people are using nowadays, the tip I'll be giving you here now, what exactly the people are doing in the field of the real estate. Suppose example, new project has launched in the market, like related to the Damak or related to any of the developer. From the Damak side, again the new project has launched in the market. So here I will show you one technique what exactly the people are doing related to the particular project. People are buying the domains. Okay, now like Al-Safa, www.alsafa1 okay .com, this kind of the domain the person has bought, and here the person coming to the path, and here the person is using official. Okay, official kind of word the person is using here. So what the customer think, that what the intention of the customer, that if the customer wanted to buy the property in the new project, okay, and this is the not from the developer side, this is from the company side. So the company has bought the particular domain related to the project name, and the company has kept it the official over here. So the buyer may think that this is the official website from the developer side, and buyer will comes to this particular landing page or to the website, and buyer maybe can fill the form, or maybe can buyer go to the WhatsApp button, or maybe the buyer can like try to connect with you from the any of the source with the help of the website or with the help of the landing page. That is how this thing is looks like. Apart from that, now you can come to the headline guys. So how you can choose the headline? Firstly, the first and for most important priority, I'm telling you that you can go, the first headline would be your company name. That would be beneficial for you in terms of the customer may can remember your brand name, customer may can like remember the name of the company. So that is how you can go. Okay, that is how you can come to this particular point, that is how you can come to this particular headline, and you can go like kind of any of the name of your company. I just don't want it to specifically write the any of the company name here, but I'm giving you the tip that you can go for any of the company name. Okay, so buy property may be the name of your company, and here you can keep on the first position most of the time, so show only in first position. So here it will show you in the first position if you do like this. So this is the company name. Firstly you can go, and then you can go for the multiple headlines guys. You can go to the Google and you can search that what exactly the other companies are keeping the headlines, and you can get the idea from there. Leading UAE property portal, okay, buy property in Dubai Marina, okay, and what exactly the other people are using, the top real estate company. So no, you can go for real estate, buy property in Dubai. You can go for this kind of the keyword, and here you'll be getting that invest in Dubai UAE property, buy property in Dubai. This is like a kind of the keywords the people are using for attracting to the client to comes to the particular landing page. Property for sale in Dubai, this is the good kind of the eye-catching kind of the title, the headline the person has used, property for sale in Dubai. So as per the requirements of yours, you can keep any of the, okay, property sale in Dubai, something like that. Okay, so any of the 2 to 3 headlines you can use, or you can use more headlines. It will be jumbled, guys, sometimes. Okay, if the person like seeing that particular ad here or maybe at the different location, so Google will jumble the particular headlines. It's not be the similar always. Okay, so you have to remember that. So you can go as per the requirement, you can go for the 2 to 3 headlines which would be helpful for you to like attracting to the people. Okay, apart from that, you can come to the description. What exactly the description? So here again the people has used the description, guys. Creek palace, buy beachfront apartment and all. This is the description, the single line description, and this is the multi-line description, guys. So how you can create the description? Again, I'm going to give you the one tip. Here you can use the keywords in the description also. Okay, so how you can use the best property, the best property, the best property dealer in Dubai, or any kind of, guys. Here you can use the multiple description titles. Here it will be giving you the 90 characters option, so you can use multiple 2 to 3 or 4 description. You can add 4 descriptions. Okay, so you can go for any of the one description. Again, the description also will jumble as per the requirement of the people who are like looking for. So you can go for the title, you can go for the description as well. Apart from that, once you are done with the description, once you are done with the title, once you are done with the final URL, now you can come to the final option here called the use a different URL in the mobile phone. Here it would be the URL option, the tracking ID you can use over there. But if you'll be not having that, then also it's not then big issue. Why? Because you have maybe the connected with the Google Analytics for tracking how exactly the everything goes. And apart from that, Google itself giving the reports to you for each and every single campaign. Okay, so apart from that, you can come to the particular, what we can say, the option here. We have the use different URL for the mobile. You can use the different URL as well. Suppose example, now if you want the different landing page, if anybody is searching from the if anybody is searching on the mobile phone, so the person can land to this particular URL. So you can use the different kind of the URL over here. So if anybody searches on Google by mobile phone, the person will land it to the different URL, different landing page, or the different website. That is how it's work, guys. But if you don't want this, then you can come to this particular single final URL, and the person can even land to this particular landing page only. And here in the mobile phone it looks like this, and here in the computer it looks like this. Here we didn't like fill the gap that much of, but just to the oral and information I'm giving you here. You can go and like mention the multiple headline description, so it's look good, guys. And now finally I'm going to give you that how you can exactly showcase this particular kind of ad to your client. So you can come to this particular website. Here you have the final URL option. Okay, here you have the final URL option. Here we have the headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, and here we have the paths. So you can use this kind of the URL. So final URL, suppose example, again we'll take here the same. Okay, here the same URL, here the headline, here the headline we have took the first the buy property. Okay, so this is the buy property, and here we have the kind of the second headline, second or third headline. Get started with the real estate. Okay, so that is how it looks like, guys. Get started with the real estate property sale in Dubai, buy property, and this is the Al-Safa one, and this is the headline, and this is like a kind of the headlines we have. Okay, so this is the description we have. Again, the description we have here, this is the description you have. Headline 2 description, headline 3 description. It looks like this. Okay, and here in the mobile phone, again it looks like this. You have to get so you'll be getting the idea that how exactly it will be looks like in the mobile phone and how it will be looks like in the computer. And here if you wanted to add the extension, so you can add the extensions here. So without extensions it looks like this, and after if you'll be adding the extension, any of the call extension or any of the one, okay, so you can go for this kind of, even you can add the 2 extensions also. One is the site link extension, second is the call extension. So in mobile phone the people will see your number directly and they can click on it. Okay, and here you can come to this particular the site link extension, and here you can give the kind of the headlines. Okay, so go for real estate, go for the best property. any kind of, guys, you can come to the Google, you can see that how your competitors are using. Okay, so as per the analytics, as per this kind of the ideas, you can go and you can create the particular the headline, description, title and all, and then finally you can see that how exactly it looks like. So you'll be getting the idea that how you need to go. Okay, that is how you can cover everything. Here you can go for the mobile number, suppose example +91 5656555552, something like that, any of the one. So that is how it looks like, guys. So that is how the Google ads work, and that is how we have created the separate, or we have created the standard kind of the ad over here, which would be helpful for you to generate the more leads if anybody coming in, if anybody clicking. Okay, and you can use the keywords here in the title, here in the description as well, for getting attracted to the people all over the world wherever your campaign is running, guys. So now I have covered everything. If you have any kind of doubt to create the ad campaign, so give me the comment down below, so that I can very much helpful for you for creating the next video with the help of this particular question. And now, guys, if you really like the video, so click on the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and till the next video, guys, take care and bye bye.